what I've heard of Sadhguruji's talks, he says, yes, we all desire. At every stage of our lives, we desire for more. We have so much. If it's just a physical term, you have a Maruti Suzuki, tomorrow you want a Honda, tomorrow you want a Mercedes. In your life, for your own self, you have experienced one thing, you want to experience the next. So you're seeking a higher level of living, of being. You then seek happiness. Then you seek a higher happiness, which is almost like peaceful living, bliss. So there's always a desire to move up. And I liked what Sadhguruji today, what he was explaining, that this blissfulness, this happiness, whatever it is not outside of you. It is here with you, and it is there with you.
Of course.
If you just be quiet and say to yourself, actually happiness, or I think peacefulness is our nature. We just keep forgetting it.
That's right.
And we keep, the moment somebody provokes us, angers us, we get envious about something, we lose that and we start reacting to outside stimulus. But no, if you just decide, I am fine, I'm great, I'm a human being, that in itself is a great, like he calls it, a possibility. I don't want what others really have. I'm not competing with others. I'm happy being me on this planet. I'm happy just being alive. I think he makes it simple for you to understand that you've got to value your life. You've got to value just the fact that you're a human being, and that as a human being, the sky is not the limit. And I think for people who are in business, or even who are just in homes, running homes, Leadership Beyond the Leader or any other DVD of Sadhguruji, I think it's enriching and enjoyable. He's a wonderful speaker, and he makes so much sense to you that you want to absorb every word that he says. So I highly recommend that you watch his DVDs. बहुत ही अच्छा। मैं 2-3 दिन से, मतलब पहले तो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड कि मैं ये सद्गुरुजी के साथ इन कॉन्वर्सेशन करने वाली हूँ। फिर जैसे दिन पास आने लगा, मैं थोड़ा सा नर्वस हो गई कि मैं क्या पूछूंगी, मैं कैसा जाएगा ये सब। मैं जब फिर स्टेज पर आई हूँ, फिर भी मेरा दिल धड़क रहा था कि ये क्या होने वाला है। बट मैंने अपने आप से यही कहा कि अगर मैं अपने सद्गुरुजी या अपने गुरुजी के सामने बैठी हूँ तो मुझे किस बात का डर है। आने से पहले भी सद्गुरुजी और मैं साथ में आए थे यहाँ पर, तो उतना जो वक्त मैंने उनके साथ बिताया, उन्होंने कहा कि जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो, जो मैं कहूँगा उसी में से आप कहानी आगे लेके जाओगी तो एक दिशा मिलेगी। सो जस्ट विद दैट थिंग फाइनली आई पुट माई पेपर्स डाउन। आई हैड अ होल लिस्ट ऑफ अदर क्वेश्चंस, तो मैंने उसको लिस्ट को इधर हटा दिया। मैंने शुरुआत वहाँ की जो मैं जानना चाहती थी कि वो कहाँ से शुरुआत हुई उनकी इस विचार की। तो and then from there wherever he went I tried to go with him. So I think we take our lives here for granted कि मतलब हमें जो हमारा देश देता है, जो छूट हमें है, जो फ्रीडम है हमें करने की, जो हम चाहते हैं, काम वो करो जो चाहो, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं यहाँ पर, घूमो फिरो, एक सेफ्टी है यहाँ पर। एक आध इंसिडेंट होता है जो कि बहुत दर्दनाक होता है, बट मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल आर मूविंग अराउंड, मिलियंस ऑफ चिल्ड्रन आर सेफ, मिलियंस ऑफ गर्ल्स आर safe today. So all those things, I value my country, and I'm very glad to be an Indian. And I think Indians, they're a very sharp lot of people. They're very hardworking, industrious people, and if they want to do something, they can do it. We have great possibilities here in India. I love my country.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.